here are these exclusive visuals of the biorefinery that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate on 14th of September. My colleague, our associate editor, Onita Moja, was there in Numaligarh at the plant. She takes us through the key highlights of this refinery. Take a look.
Barely few days to go and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be right here. This is the world's first bamboo-based 2G ethanol refinery in Numaligarh. These are the exclusive visuals, viewers, we are bringing to you from inside the refinery in Numaligarh that will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 14th of September. Now, this particular refinery, like I already mentioned, is the world's first bamboo-based bioethanol refinery. There are interesting things to note here. Whatever equipment which have been used in this particular refinery is made in India. There is just one German equipment that you will find here and maybe a few equipments imported from China. But whatever equipment you see here are all made in India. One very interesting point to note. The other important thing that we have to flag here, we have to talk about this particular refinery in Numaligarh in Assam, is that this particular refinery, the consumption of bamboo here is going to be up to 5 lakh metric tons annually. The production capacity of the refinery at this point of time stands at 50,000 tons. So that is the annual consumption and production numbers for the biorefinery. Also to mention here is that this particular refinery is not just going to benefit the farmers of Assam, but it is also going to benefit farmers of other northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and many other bamboo producing states of the region. So overall, a big initiative, another landmark initiative of Numaligarh Refinery Limited. Numaligarh Refinery Limited is a product of the Assam Accord, which holds a lot of significance for the people of Assam. And this particular project now coming up is a huge step forward as far as the energy space is concerned. Also not to forget that this particular refinery is coming up at a time when the world is talking about green energy. So this refinery here is going to be the torchbearer as far as the green energy revolution that the world is talking about as far as that is concerned. So what people here, the technicians, the officials who are involved with this particular refinery, what they feel is that this is going to, the world's eyes are on this particular refinery. There is, of course, this refinery came up in some kind of partnership with companies from Finland. They too are excited about this mega project. In fact, this entire refinery comes up in close to 40 acres. So all eyes now on this particular ethanol refinery, world's first bamboo-based ethanol refinery here in Numaligarh. With camera person Debajit Boro and Prashanto, this is Onita Moja reporting for Northeast Live from Numaligarh.